Today we're going to do the needle threading on the Reliable Barracuda 200ZW. First thing we do is take our cone of thread through the thread stand upper eyelet guide. Now we're going to go to the triple guide that is on top of the machine, and this is actually an uncurling device, but what we're going to do is weave it through. We're not going to wrap it around. We're going to go through the second triple bar eyelet. So we're going to go from top to bottom, up from the bottom, and then down from the top again. Again, it's woven through, it's not wrapped around. Now I'm going to thread the main tension assembly for the needle thread. Bring the thread between the two discs, make sure it's seated in tightly. Bring in front of the take-up spring, pull the thread up so it seats behind this support finger in the tension assembly. So now we're going to put the thread through the needle thread take-up. Now we're going to put the thread through the needle bar eyelet. Now I'm going to thread the needle, which threads from left to right.